Well, quite a well-known Colt on the CZTOC. He's had it a long time. So probably as long as I've sort of been into Colts, but he's definitely had it a long time. And this one is very clean. And today it is in for an Ecutek Stage 1 remap. All custom stuff. Oh, I can hear a Colt. That's Jason. He's only 10 minutes late for work. It's a nice one, ain't it, guys? I like them wheels. Right, let's get it in the workshop and up on the dyno. Yeah. Well, she's looking pretty in the dyno cell. So I've got to do some health checks on her now, and then see what she's making in standard form, and we'll go from there. Those wheels really suit it, don't they? Let me know in the comments what alloys you're using on your Colts, and also what size tyres you've got on them. Okay, so standard run time. Yeah. Well, there's our standard power run for this car that we're starting today, and she's made just shy of 150 brake, 170 foot-pound of torque. It's got some mods on it, so you know we'll see what's going on and make sure that it's okay. But we'll definitely get that up on power. We know that for a fact. Okay, so let's do a mods rundown. We've got a standard airbox with a K&N panel filter in it. We've got some silicone hoses. We've got a metal Evo dump valve. Not particularly any better than the standard plastic one if the standard plastic one is working. These are actually a lot older now, so these are getting weaker. So this is not for me, but hopefully it should do. I mean, this car's made 150 brake horsepower, so could it have done better in standard form? Perhaps. It's got an uprated side mount that we can get hold of if we need, but it's all metal, there's no plastic there, so that's good. Do excuse me if I sound like rubbish today. I'm a bit yeah, I'm not feeling the best. Hopefully it's not anything lurgy, but we've got standard cats still in place. We've got some form of exhaust system going to the back with a aftermarket back box. It's a beautiful car, this, it really is. And I'm hoping that we make some power so that it can leave here on some, you know, with some happy figures. It's got a beautiful set of Oz Racer wheels, hasn't it? You gotta love them. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said before, this car's been in the Owners Club for a long time, maybe as long as I've owned my red Colt, certainly. It's a nice one. It's a nice one, and I'm hoping that we do some good work on this today. I mean, we're going to get the best out of it that we can. So, yeah. Oh, I'm tired. And there's an FN2 in the background there that we've got on map today. Right. Well, that's this one done, and honestly guys, standing near that fan, I am freezing, absolutely freezing. But here's the power that we've made. As you can see, the red line is as it came in, the blue line and all the area under the blue line is the gains that we have made today. And we are finishing on 208 brake horsepower and 224 foot-pound of torque. Considering it came on just shy of 150 brake horsepower, yep, that's nearly a 60 brake horsepower gain from a Dynodaze custom remap using Ecutek software. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been a cold and miserable morning, but this car is leaving here with some good power and we're really happy with it, and hopefully the customer will also really enjoy this car. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe and all that jazz, and don't forget there's stuff to win. So as long as we see you commenting, saying hello, like I said earlier, drop some comments on what alloys you're running on your CZT and let us know what tyres you're using on those alloys. That'd be great. Speak to you soon.
Light was pretty fast.